If you are facing any problem with Windows Update, it's getting failed, or while configuring is stuck on 0%, or it's getting failed on this one. So I'm going to show you two methods to resolve this problem. We will go with the method one. So first you have to search Windows Update. So you will see the Windows Update settings. Just open it and just click on troubleshoot left side and then additional troubleshoot. Now click on Windows Update and run the troubleshooters. So it will try to fix the problem. So we will wait for it. Thus it's about complete. Done. So it didn't find any problem with the Windows Update or couldn't able to resolve this problem. So we'll go with the method 2. So for that you have to open command prompt with administrative access. Now run this command to stop Windows Update services. Press enter. So window update service is stopped now. So now we will go to C drive, Windows folder, and search for software distribution folder. Here it is. Open it and open download folder. Select all these file and folder and delete them. This folder should be cleared. Just click on continue. Now all file and folder gone from download folder. Just go back to the command prompt window to start the window update service. Just type this command: net start service name. It will start the window update service, and after that restart your computer and open Windows Update settings and try to install updates again. Hopefully these methods will help you to resolve your Windows Update problems. Thank you for watching the video.